Tired of Chrome autofilling your Facebook login on shared computers? Here's how to delete it permanently in under 2 minutes. We'll go through Chrome settings, open Password Manager, locate Facebook, and delete it. Let's start. All right, so here's the deal. If you've ever logged into Facebook on a shared or public computer, Chrome has probably saved your email or phone number. Next time someone sits down and clicks the login box, your info pops right up. Not great for privacy. But the fix is really straightforward. First, open up Google Chrome. Just launch it like you normally would. It doesn't matter if you're on a shared machine or your own personal laptop. We're going straight into the browser. Now, look at the very top right corner of the window. See those 3 little dots stacked vertically? Click on those. That's your main menu button for just about everything in Chrome. From that drop-down menu, you're going to click on Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that list, right above the Help option. This opens up Chrome's main settings page in a new tab. Now, on the left-hand side of that settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Look for one called Autofill and Passwords. Click on that. This is where Chrome stores all the little shortcuts it remembers for you, like your addresses, payment methods, and, of course, your saved logins. Right under that section, you'll see an option that says Google Password Manager. Click on that. And here's the important part. This is the central hub where Chrome keeps every single username and password you've ever asked it to save. You might see a long list of websites here. Scroll down through that list until you find Facebook. Or if you have a lot of saved passwords, you can use the search bar at the top to type in Facebook. That makes it much faster. Once you spot it, just click on the Facebook entry. At this point, Chrome is going to ask you to verify it's really you. It'll pop up a window asking for your computer's PIN. This is the same PIN you use to log into your computer. Go ahead and enter that. This step is there to keep other people from snooping through your saved passwords, so don't skip it. Once you're verified, you'll see all the details for that Facebook account. You'll see the website, the username, and the password. And right there on the screen, you'll see a big red or gray button that says Delete. Click on that. A small confirmation box will appear, asking if you're sure. Click Delete again to confirm. And just like that, it's gone. Chrome will no longer offer to fill in your Facebook login on any computer. So give it a test. Go to the Facebook login page, click into the email field, and you'll see that your old login ID doesn't show up anymore. Your privacy is back in your hands. Took less than 2 minutes, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.